Hello, in this presentation we're going to solve exercises on conduction. Now, checking the last question in this section. Decide whether the following materials are good or poor conductors of heat. Pause the video and think of it. In order to solve this exercise, first let's differentiate between good and poor conductors of heat. The good conductors of heat allows the heat to flow through them easily, whereas the poor conductor of heat do not allow heat to flow through them easily and slows down heat gain or loss. So, if we start with the first element, the steel, is it a good or poor conductor of heat? The steel, for example, the handle of the pan is made up of steel. When the pan is heated, its handle also heats. So the handle transfers the heat. Then it's a good conductor of heat. Let's move to the second example, which is air. If you are sitting in a closed room and there's a heater, the air takes time to heat. So air is considered as poor conductor. Let's check the glass. If you have a cup of a glass and then you fill it with hot water, then this glass will take much more time to heat or to transfer the temperature of the hot liquid or the hot water to it. So, the glass are also considered as poor conductors. Copper, for example, there are several coffee pots that are made up of copper. When these coffee pots are heated, they transfer heat in a rapid manner to heat the coffee. So the coffee pots which are made of copper are good conductors. Therefore, the copper is a good conductor of heat. Water, for example, as we discussed earlier when we investigated the experiment of heating the water, recall that the ice, it's melted to water and then to vapor. This process is a longer process. Therefore, water allows the flow of heat in a lower rate. It slows down the heat gain or loss, so it's considered as a poor conductor. And the last example is wool. For example, sheep have wools. The wool protects sheep from extreme heat as well as extreme cold. The wool fibers dissipate heat more rapidly. So, as we said that the wool protects the sheep from the extreme heat as well as extreme cold, this means that the energy transferred or the heat transferred in the wool is transferred in slower rate. This means that the wool is poor conductor of heat. So, the wools are poor conductor of heat. If you have classified these materials in this way, then you did great. Good job. Thanks for watching.